Today in crypto, e-money introduces fast, frictionless swapping of currency-backed tokens into the Cosmos ecosystem. With the world's largest funds, offers users a solution that enables the everyday user to exchange traditional money for cryptocurrencies without the palpitation-inducing volatility. With a fast and easy-to-use global payment system underpinned by distributed ledger technology, users can exchange currency-backed and interest-bearing stablecoins. E-money's stablecoins are currency-backed, collateralized with a dynamic peg that tracks the underlying interest rate of the same currency as which they are issued. E-money users can currently choose from several currencies including EUR and CHF, with plans to implement USD, GBP and JPY in the near future. A standout feature of e-money's currency-backed stablecoins is that they are interest-bearing, with many where validator yield information can also be viewed. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.